Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do a little login program and then we're going to launch, I think, Notepad off our computer here. So we're going to use a login program, but this login program is going to be using Regex. So let's start off. So my scalar login name is going to be equal to 1, 2, 3 ABC. Okay, so that's the login name. Now we're going to create the subroutine for our login called login here, and we're just going to print enter login name. Okay, that's the login name, and then we're going to do standard input. So my scalar log is going to be equal to standard input. So the user will enter their login name there. It's going to be chomp scalar log, and now here comes the magic. We're going to use Regex to actually match this. So if scalar log here, and we're going to use the matching operator, and then we're going to use M here for match is going to match login name. It's going to be here. Then we're going to do something. So if what the user has typed into the standard input there matches the login name, we're going to do something. We just neaten this up. We're going to print correct login, new line. Okay, and then because they've logged in correctly, we're going to send them to another routine, a subroutine called control launch, which is going to be control launch. Oops. Okay, or if the user hasn't logged in correctly, we're going to let them know by printing them off a message. Let's neaten that up. So the message is going to be print incorrect login. Okay, so now we're going to create the next subroutine here. So once we've logged in correctly to our program, we're going to create another subroutine, and that is going to be called control launch. So sub control launch, and from here we're going to launch the Notepad program. So again, we're going to print launch Notepad. It's going to be a yay or an A, yes or no option there. Okay, and we've got to get the input from the user, so I'm going to call it my scalar entry is equal to standard input, and that's going to be chomp scalar entry. Okay, and now we're going to come on to the conditional, So I'm going to do it like this. So if scalar entry is not equal to n, which is no, we're going to do something. Let's just sort that out. Let's neaten that up. So if it's not equal to n, we're going to do something. So we're going to print starting Notepad. Okay, so to start the Notepad, we're going to use System, and then Notepad.exe here. If something goes wrong, we're going to use a catch-all called else, and so we're just going to print the user a message telling them we're just going to quit the program, basically quitting. So we're just going to quit the program, and you can do that with exit here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to save that and we're going to run it. So I'm going to start with login. Okay, let's try that, shall we? Okay, enter login name. So let's enter it incorrectly. Incorrect login. Okay, so there we go. We know that's working. So let's input the correct password. So that's going to be 123 ABC. Okay, correct login, launch Notepad. I'm going to say yes. Okay, there we go. Notepad has been launched. Okay, let's just run that through once more again. Enter login name 123 ABC. Okay, let's not launch it this time, so no, and there we go, quitting, so it's quit the program. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope that's been useful to you, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Leave me a like, leave me a comment if you want, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.